In the field of humanoid robots, pilot season has officially started. Agility's Digit robots were tested by Amazon at a few distribution facilities last year, and Figure announced a partnership with BMW in January. Apptronik is now participating in the market thanks to a collaboration with Mercedes-Benz. As is typical for these kinds of agreements, specific statistics have not been published. The Austin-based robotics firm said that, as part of the agreement, Apptronik and Mercedes-Benz will collaborate on identifying applications for highly advanced robotics in Mercedes-Benz Manufacturing. Typically, a pilot program includes a relatively limited number of units, which makes sense considering how new the technology is. Nevertheless, these agreements are thought to benefit both sides equally. While Mercedes communicates to investors and consumers that it is looking to the future, Apptronik can show that a major car brand is clearly interested in working with them. What matters most is what happens next. If the pilot is successful and leads to the automaker placing a major order, it would be a huge plus for Apptronik and the industry as a whole. Recent investor interest in humanoids has been enormous, as seen by Figure's astounding $675 million funding round. The ensuing years will be crucial to these companies' ongoing performance as they strive to demonstrate a significant return on investment. Mercedes plans to use robotics in Apollo for automating some low-skill, physically challenging, manual labor, a model use case which we'll see other organizations replicate in the months and years to come, co-founder and CEO Jeff Cardenas says in a release regarding what the robots will actually do on the manufacturing floor.